In a tiny pocket of Africa's wilds, elusive animals make a living in the hidden underworld to survive and escape the most ruthless of predators, all the time looking for food to stay alive. For this small feline, defenseless termites make a juicy entree. In fact, he could survive all his life on meals of such insects, although he can eat anything off the bone as well. A handful of bugs will keep the wildcat satisfied for at least the next few hours. Fat digests slowly. The wildcat curls up to sleep above ground. His bed is not as secure as the others. The wildcat spent the whole day resting. His body relaxed into his favorite position, eyes tightly shut to keep out the day's glare. But the ears tuned into the surrounding. A slight rustle, a twitch of the ears, and the cat snaps out of happy slumber into tense fighter. Friend or foe, or maybe food. His demeanor changes from defense to attack. Typically feline, the hunter goes through each phase. Stalk, pounce, bite. A silent kill, a good meal for the cat. Suddenly, he hears a rasping noise. He possesses extremely well-developed hearing organs, able to detect the most imperceptible movements before the source appears into view. The cat takes his meal deeper into the undergrowth. He can never be too careful. Predictably, the lion's footfalls resonate clearly in his early warning system. A quick calculation of the situation, and in this case, his best survival strategy, run into the thickets. For this, the wildcat represents a typical example. Lions amuse themselves. Servals sometimes smack a mouse about before eating it. Leopards play with their food. And wildcats play too. It's a lethal game.